guys, and welcome back to my channel, Pretty Nikki. And yes, it's Monday, so you know what that means. Makeup Mondays with Nikki. I'm back to you with another makeup tutorial, and as you can see, today I decided to do a sort of sunset makeup tutorial, and it's kind of faded away because it's hot, but you'll see it better on the makeup tutorial. So enough jibber jabber, let's get right down to the video. Alright guys, so as you know, I always do my face and brows and half of one eye. As you can see, I've already got my little sunset set up how I want it. So the first thing I'm going to start with is I'm going to take one of my brushes, and what I did was I'm going to take this purple shade right here, this purple. And I just put it all over my eyelid first. All over my eyelid. And kind of on my crease at the same time. Because I wanted to really get the purple there, because it seemed like the purple when I put it on was like very, very light in a way. So I just wanted to stand out, because in a sunset you can see purple on the outside and the orangish looking part on the middle part, and then the yellow part like you see in this eye right here. So once I put enough on my eyelid and my crease, what I did was I worked my way up, as you see, to the upper part, right above the right below, I'm sorry, the brow bone. And I bring it down just a little bit right here so it'll stand out more on the outside. As you can see, it stands out a lot. Okay. And then the next thing I did, I took another brush to do the orange on the whole eyelid. And the orange I used was this orange right here. I picked the colors that were closest to a sunset color. So what I did was I just dabbed that and practically kind of rubbed it into the crease area again and over the eyelid to try to give it a little orangey shade. And when you see that orange start to come up, I used an eyelid brush and dabbed into the orange just to make sure that the orange would cover up all the purple. And once it covers all the purple, as you can see on my eyelid, I'm done with that color. Now, what I started to do, I started to use the other end of this eyelash brush and went in with this yellow color right here for the middle eye, which I'm going to go ahead and do that again now, like I did at first, so I know where to place it. But I'm going to show you a little trick that I did myself. Show yourself my little trick I did. I'm sorry, my lighting. I just dab it in the middle where I wanted it, and then I take my finger. As you can see, I'll take my finger. I'm sorry, there's no light for my face for you guys. I'm so sorry for that. So I just dab my finger into the yellow, and what I did was I went straight to the middle and sort of dabbed it. And you can see the yellow kind of covering up a little bit of the orange to make it a little sunset. So I did that like 2 yellow taps, and then I just closed my eye palette, and I stopped because I didn't want it to go too much. Because as you can see right here, I'm gonna shut my eyes for you. I'm getting the light better and shut my eyes. You can see the purple on the outside Then you can see the orange, and then you can see the yellow, which is the sun or the sunset. So that includes the eyes right there. Also, I'm so sorry. This was my new makeup palette that I had got in the mail over this past week. I'm so sad because I'm so glad because of all these colors. I actually threw the packaging and the case away that it came in. The case, this right here, palette came into a case with the name on it, and I threw that away. I let my daughter handle it. So, all these different colors. So now I can do different colors. Now on to the lips. I saw a little tip that some women did, but I'm just gonna do my red today to go with it. I saw some tips some girls did for the lips and put their lipstick or lip gloss on first. But I'm just gonna do what I do. Next. Line my lips first. After I line my lips, of course, you know, I don't know what I do with my red lip gloss, so what I do is just use my red lipstick, so I just use my red lip gloss. That's from Wet n Wild. I just cover up the whole bottom lip. Dab that together, and I put a little bit extra and dots, like dot form in a way. So that's that, and that right there includes my sunset look. I'm going to shut my eyes and give you the whole picture so you can see, as you can see. And I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you did, go ahead, like and subscribe, and comment many more makeup tutorials you want me to do here on Mondays with Nikki. So I will see you guys next Monday for another Makeup Mondays with Nikki tutorial. Bye bye.